Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IKSR chemistry classes. Here we are in lecture number 11 on IR spectroscopy applied to inorganic chemistry. In this video, we will discuss nitrile complexes and their IR spectra. But first of all, we will see what are nitriles. The organic compounds containing CN functional group in which there is triple bond between carbon and nitrogen atoms and there is one unsatisfied valencies of carbon are called nitriles. An example of organic nitrile is given here, CH3CN. There are three systems for the nomenclature of organic nitriles. The first one is common name. Its common name is methyl for CH3 and cyanide for CN. The hydrolysis of CH3CN in the acidic medium produces acetic acid, and on this basis the trivial name of CH3CN is written as follows. The common name of the carboxylic acid obtained by the hydrolysis of nitrile is written, and here it is acetic acid. From this name, ic acid is subtracted and O-nitrile is added to it, and thus we get acetonitrile. It is the trivial name of CH3CN. And then IUPAC name of CH3CN is written as follows. Eth for two carbon atoms in the organic compound, N for carbon-carbon single bond, and nitrile for the presence of CN functional group. The overall IUPAC name of CH3CN is ethane nitrile. Nitriles as ligand. The nitriles have a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom, which can be coordinated to the metal atom or ion forming complex compound. This is CH3CN. It contains a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom which can be coordinated to metal atom or ion forming complex compound. Therefore, nitriles act as a potential ligand. And now nitrile complexes. Nitriles form a number of complexes by coordinating through their nitrogen atom to the metal atom or ion. An example of nitrile complex, generalized example of nitrile complex is given here, in which CH3CN is coordinated to metal atom through its nitrogen atom. Like cyano complexes, in the case of nitrile complexes also, the CN stretching frequency shifts to higher wave number region on complex formation with a few exceptions. As in the case of cyano complexes, in the case of nitrile complexes also, the CN stretching frequency shifts to higher wave number region on complex formation. However, there are some exceptions also. Nature of metal ligand bond in nitrile complexes. There are two types of bonds between metal and ligand in nitrile complexes, and these are nitrile to metal sigma bond. During the formation of this bond, the filled sigma orbital of the nitrogen atom of nitrile overlaps with the vacant hybrid orbital of metal. On the other hand, during the formation of metal to nitrile pi bond, the filled d atomic orbital of metal The filled d atomic orbital of metal overlaps with the vacant pi star MO of nitrile. During the formation of this pi bond, the filled d atomic orbital of metal overlaps with vacant anti-bonding pi star MO of nitrile. And therefore, as the extent of metal to nitrile pi bonding increases, the CN bond order of coordinated nitrile decreases due to increase in the electron density in pi star MO, and hence CN stretching frequency also decreases. Let us see it again. As the extent of metal to nitrile pi bonding increases, the electron density in pi star MO increases. As a result, CN bond order and CN stretching frequency both decrease accordingly. Some noteworthy facts regarding nitrile complexes are summarized here. The nitriles, the free organic nitriles, exhibit absorption peak in the IR spectrum due to CN stretching at about 2250 centimeter inverse. Free uncoordinated nitriles exhibit absorption peak in the IR spectrum at about 2250 centimeter inverse due to a stretching mode of vibration of CN. The position of this absorption peak shifts to higher wave number region if there is little metal to nitrile pi bonding in nitrile complex on account of high oxidation state of metal. If the oxidation state of metal is high, its ability to donate pi electron pair to ligand decreases, and the position of this absorption peak shifts to high wave number region. On the other hand, the position of this absorption peak shifts to lower wave number region if there is extensive metal to nitrile pi bonding in nitrile complex on account of low oxidation state of metal. If the oxidation state of metal is low, the formation of this pi bond takes place to a greater extent, and the CN stretching frequency shifts to lower wave number region. On the other hand, if the oxidation state of metal is high, the formation of this pi bonding takes place to a smaller extent, and CN stretching frequency shifts to higher wave number region. The IR spectrum of benzonitrile C6H5CN is depicted here. This is the IR spectrum of benzonitrile. It exhibits an absorption peak due to CN stretching at 2231 centimeter inverse. This absorption peak is due to a stretching mode of vibration of CN of benzonitrile at 2231 centimeter inverse. When benzonitrile is treated with ruthenium triple plus and ammonia, a complex compound is formed, RuNH3 5 times PHCN. PHCN means benzonitrile triple plus. The position of CN stretching frequency, the absorption band in the IR spectrum due to CN group is at 2231 centimeter inverse, which shifts to higher wave number region on complex formation. 2267 centimeter inverse is greater than 2231 centimeter. On the other hand, when benzonitrile is treated with Ru2 plus ion and ammonia, another complex compound is formed having two positive charge. In this case, the position of absorption band in the IR spectrum due to CN stretching shifts to lower wave number region to 188 centimeter inverse, which is smaller than 2231 centimeter inverse. It has been explained on the next slide. Ru triple plus is a poor pi donor due to high positive charge, and Ru2 plus ion is a good pi donor due to its lower positive charge, as explained on the next slide. It has been explained by saying that Ru2 plus ion has greater pi donating ability than Ru3 plus ion due to lower oxidation state. As a result, the CN bond order decreases with increase in extent of metal to nitrile pi bonding. We have discussed earlier that as the extent of metal to nitrile pi bonding increases, CN bond order decreases. The CN bond order in this complex with +2 charge is lower than that in this complex having triple plus charge, because in the case of former there is greater extent of pi bonding, and this pi bonding places the electron density of metal to vacant pi star MO of nitrile, and it decreases CN bond order. As a result, the value of CN stretching frequency in Ru NH3 5 times PHCN2 plus is lower than that in benzonitrile as well as in this complex compound. The IR spectrum of propane nitrile is given here. It exhibits an absorption peak at 2249 centimeter inverse due to a stretching mode of vibration of CN group. We have already stated that free organic nitriles exhibit absorption peak in the IR spectrum at about 2250 centimeter inverse, and its complex Fe triethyl phosphine 2 times, CO 2 times, and propane nitrile exists as a mixture of two isomers as shown in the following figure. This complex compound contains two triethyl phosphine ligands, two carbonyl ligands, and propane nitrile as a ligand. It exists as two isomers. One is end-on isomer having linear metal N-C linkage. On the other hand, side-on isomer contains propane nitrile in bridging in bidentate mode of linkage. This complex exhibits absorption band, absorption peak in the IR spectrum at 2112 centimeter inverse due to a stretching mode of vibration of CN group, whose bond order is about 3. But in the side-on isomer, the CN bond order is about 2, and its stretching frequency is very low, 1625 centimeter inverse. 2249 centimeter inverse is the wave number of absorption peak in free propane nitrile molecule. But on complex formation, these two values decrease in the end on isomer also, and inside on isomer also. The CN stretching frequency is lower than that in free propane nitrile molecule. The oxidation state of this iron atom is 0 here, and therefore there is extensive pi bonding. Metal to nitrile pi bonding is extensive, and therefore CN stretching frequency lowers down in comparison to free propane nitrile molecule. But in this case, in the case of side-on isomer, the stretching frequency is very low because carbon nitrogen bond order is about 2. The end-on isomer exhibits CN stretching frequency at 2112 centimeter inverse, which is lower than 2249 centimeter inverse as expected due to extensive Fe2 propane nitrile pi bonding on account of zero oxidation state of Fe in the complex. This value is lower than free propane nitrile molecule, but the side-on isomer exhibits CN stretching frequency at 1625 centimeter inverse, which is much lower value. This extremely low value of CN stretching frequency has been attributed to eta 2 bonding, that is bidentate dihapto bonding of propane nitrile, which has CN bond order almost equal to 2, and hence its stretching frequency is very low, 1625 centimeter inverse. IR spectrum of ethane nitrile CH3CN is given here. It exhibits an absorption peak here, a strong absorption peak due to CN stretching at 2253 centimeter inverse. It is again about 2250 centimeter inverse. This type of bonding is also found in nitrile complexes. Eta 2 type of bonding is also found in nitrile complex MO cyclopentadienyl 2 times CH3CN, which exhibits CN stretching frequency at 1725 centimeter inverse. Eta 2 side-on type of bonding is found in this complex also, whose CN stretching frequency is very low. This complex very low value of this stretching frequency is due to the fact that the carbon-nitrogen bond order is almost equal to 2, and hence its stretching frequency is very low, quite lower than 2250 centimeter inverse. The complex compound manganese carbon monoxide carbonyl 3 times NCCH2CH2NCCl, which contains succinonitrile as ligand, exhibits CN stretching frequency at 2068 centimeter inverse, which is much lower value than that of free succinonitrile 2257 centimeter inverse. Free succinonitrile molecule exhibits absorption peak in the IR spectrum at 2257 centimeter inverse, but in this complex compound, coordinated succinonitrile molecule exhibits absorption peak in the IR spectrum at 2068 centimeter inverse due to CN stretching, which is much lower than this value. This large shift of CN stretching frequency to lower frequency has been attributed to the chelating bidentate coordination through its CN triple bonds as given in the following figure. In this complex compound, succinonitrile molecule acts as chelating ligand, bidentate ligand. Chelating ligand forms cyclic ring on coordination to the same metal atom or ion, and bidentate means it donates 2 electron pairs, and its structure is given here. This is succinonitrile molecule CH2 CN CH2 CN. This is CN. It exhibits absorption peak in the IR spectrum at 2257 centimeter inverse. But in this complex compound, succinonitrile, the coordinated succinonitrile molecule exhibits absorption peak at 2068 centimeter inverse, which is much lower than this value. And it has been explained by saying that the succinonitrile molecule coordinates to the Mn plus ion. The oxidation state of manganese is +1 here through its pi electron pair bonding pi MO. Bonding pi MO of CN group is coordinated to manganese plus ion, and here also the bonding pi electron pair is coordinated to Mn plus ion, and the bond order in CN group is given by Nb minus Na by 2, that is 6 minus 0 by 2, and it is equal to 3 in the case of free succinonitrile molecule. But in this complex compound, bonding pi electrons of CN group are coordinated to Mn plus ion, and if the bonding electrons are transferred to manganese plus ion, the bond order will decrease, and accordingly the CN stretching frequency also decreases. Thank you for watching the video with patience. We will meet shortly with another video. Thank you again.